Yes! 1, 2, 3, go! Panis! Wala kayo.
Who play well? You or her?
You know, guys, this is my first time.
Yes!
My first time.
Okay. But you will play good. Okay.
Nice one. Nice one. Hey. Ikaw natin. Hello po.
Guys, this boy is very kind. Also, he is what's that? He is kind. I like her. I like her. I think we have six vibes with the girl and also this one is a foreigner. I like him attitude also. Even this one, like here, that boy, black teacher, he is a good attitude. He have a good attitude, right? He's playing a billiard, but this is a to play this. But Ate Rachel is teaching how to play this one.
Thank you.